Define your section and choose your audio tracks. If you have many, you can use this button to unselect them all. Validate section. Select your language and your detection method. You have the choice between precise, more accurate, and best for final edits, or fast, quicker, ideal for previews or rough cuts. Once selected, click on Generate Transcript. Here, you can choose your silence management. In your transcript, you can use the triangle button to listen to the sentence and the scissors to cut or recover specific parts. Once you're finished, click on Cut Sequence.
We repeat ourselves without realizing. We say, "It's fine."